When we go to Mass this Sunday, the challenge for us is to go deeper, to look deeper, and to break free from being legalistic or from legalism and rediscover the joy of just being present with God and with the community. Let us make it a day of true rest, renewal, and love, not just a checklist of obligations. Psalm, a jurist, had a beautiful reminder for all of us. No law, not even one as sacred as keeping the Sabbath holy, should ever overshadow charity.